Hey guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets falling so much on Friday, right? And if you see, the week has definitely been very bearish as compared more in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. Nifty still looks like it is taking a pause, but in Bank Nifty, if you see clearly in the weekly charts, it looks like Bank Nifty has taken resistance from a new zone for the first time, and that's why there has been a lot of sell off. What I was expecting is that we would go up till 44,000, but due to news in HDFC Bank and HDFC, right, that could not happen. But anyways, what can we expect from here, right? So first of all, if you see in the weekly charts, definitely things look like they are reversing from here, and we can see an easy sell-off till 42,000 right now. If tomorrow we see a continued sell-off, right? So tomorrow, once we cross this low of this candle, we can initiate some sort of a bullish, bearish trade till 42,000 for the week, right? In Nifty also, if you see, Nifty is not that, not that bearish as of now, but still it's near 18,000. So yeah, definitely we can see a little bit of sell-off in Nifty also, because Nifty kind of is still looking a little bit more stronger than Bank Nifty. But yeah, if Bank Nifty is gonna go down, Nifty will also follow suit up to some extent, right? So definitely that's a weekly analysis. But what can we see in the daily charts, right? Daily charts, definitely if you see, Bank Nifty is looking very bearish, right? And as I say always, that if we closed in a certain sentiment, right, maybe if we close in a positive sentiment and we open in an opposite sentiment, right, we will see a very good momentum on the in that opposite sentiment, right? So if we open with a gap up, so if we close positive but open negative, we'll see a very good trending day, right? And that happened in Bank Nifty. But if we see, right, if you see in the first 15 minutes, right, markets, if you would have sold over here itself at the opening itself, markets, you would have you would have taken a very big loss, right? And that's why I always say wait for some sort of a price action to be made, right? Markets went up, but if you would have waited till the gap would have gotten filled, right, maybe in a 5 minute, over here 5 minutes, you would have taken a bullish trade, right? And over here, if you see, the gap got filled and the market took resistance, right? And if you would have sold over here, then you would have made money. And why would you have sold, right? I mean, what's the thing, what's the problem, right? You would say that, okay, the market is bullish, right? Why will I sell over here? Remember, there are still people who have not exited their trade. There are still people who are in their bullish positions, because definitely people would have not sold over here. There is still people who want to exit their positions at this point, right? And they will wait for the best price. And when they see that the gap is getting filled, the gap has gotten filled, now they will start exiting. And that's why we saw a very good sell-off from here, right? Now what can we expect is very simple. If you see in the daily charts, 42,000 clearly looks like a very good support over here, right? So there is pretty much a clear range, and we will not hesitate to sell below 42,000. Just give me a second. Yeah, below 42,000, 600, below 42,600, we will not hesitate to sell below 42,600 at this point, because from here we can see easy 600 point momentum, right? And since this is a market of selling, right, this is a bearish market, momentums come very fast. So do not hesitate to sell, as I'm saying over here again, right? Wait, if you open with any sort of a gap down, say somewhere near 42,400 and all these levels, wait for a 5 minute breakdown. As I say, once the first 5 minute candle breaks down, you guys can then go ahead and take a sell position. If you open with a gap up somewhere near 43,000, right, and US markets have also closed very bullishly on Friday, so there are chances that we'll open with a gap up. So if you open with a gap up somewhere near 43,000, I would rather tell you to wait for some time. If you see some sort of bearish price action being made before 42,600 is being broken, then you guys can go ahead and initiate sell position or initiate a bearish position, but only initiate aggressive positions below 42,600 and not before that, right? On the upside, again, if we hold ourselves somewhere near 43,000 itself, right, for the day, and do not move down, then probably then we'll need to see how things happen on Tuesday, right? Because then we'll see an inside candle being made on the daily charts, and that would mean either a move on the upside above 43,600, a very good move, or a very good move on the downside below 42,600, right? Or again, if we make an inside candle and stay below 43,200, then 43,200 will become a crucial level for Tuesday, right? And then we can start kind of doing a little bit of taking bullish trades above 43,200, but that on Tuesday. If we open with a gap up and do not break down, we will wait for a day. It's okay to wait for a day. We'll get very good trades in the future, as I always say, right? Again, talking about Nifty, right? Nifty in the daily charts looks like, again, just give me a second. Yeah, Nifty in the daily charts is at near a support zone, right? And if Bank Nifty opens flat, and there could be a lot of selling pressure, so Nifty will also follow suit over here and will break down over here, right? So in Nifty also, we will not hesitate to sell over here. Just give me a second. Yeah, below 18,055 to 18,060 is where we'll go ahead and start making bearish positions, and our target will be easy 18,000, right? Maybe Nifty might take support from 18,000 to 17,980, whereas Bank Nifty just continues to move down, right? That could be a very good case. So in Nifty, we will not aim for very big targets until 18,000 is broken, right? But in Bank Nifty, there is pretty much, a clean range on the downside till 42,000, so we will not hesitate to sell. In Nifty, however, for buying, we can expect we can take a little bit of buying position or a bullish position above 18,160, right? Because this is the place where Nifty has made a good swing over here. So if we say open with a gap up somewhere near 18,130, 120, and just spend some time over here and then break out, then we can go ahead and make a bullish position above 18,160. Our target will be 18,200 to 205. That's it. Because from here the selling has started, right? And from wherever the selling starts, markets tend to take a resistance from that point, right? So we will aim for not a very big target over here, and we'll also keep our quantity less, because markets have seen a very good sell-off, and if we are trading against the trend, we always keep our quantity less, right? Again, on the downside, if we open with a gap down somewhere near 18,020, we will not focus on Nifty and only focus on Bank Nifty, because then pretty much Nifty will not be left with a clean range to be traded, right? And remember, if you want the easiest trades, look for a clean range, right? What do I mean by clean range is that there is not a lot of supports or kind of some sort of a trend line or something in the way. There is pretty much a straight way for market to move either on the upside or on the downside, right? So look for clean ranges whenever you want a very easy trade, right? So yeah, guys, if you open with a gap up also above say 18,160 or all these levels, we will just skip trading for Monday. We will see how we can trade on Tuesday or Wednesday, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. This week we could see a good sell-off if Bank Nifty doesn't hold itself at higher levels after opening with a gap up tomorrow, right? Again, if you open flat, very simple, just sell. You can make very easy money, because this is a selling market, and in a selling market, making money is easier than in a buying market. So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.